Hello, welcome. My name is Sade, and today we are going to work on a sound purification. And the purpose of sound purification is really to release any extra tension, emotion, stress, any type of energy that we might be holding on to in our body. And we get to release this emotion so that we can focus deeper on our breathing because sometimes it's hard to focus on breathing when you have so much tension and things being held internally. So today we're going to focus on our first sound. And for this sound, you want to focus completely on the lower half of your body, specifically the pelvic floor. And focusing on the pelvic floor, imagine a red light beaming from your pelvic floor space. And if you don't know, the pelvic floor deals with the root chakra, and the root chakra deals with our survival, how safe we feel, how foundational and secure we feel in this physical world, and how capable we feel of having our needs met. So this first sound that we will do, it helps to release anger, frustration, and worry that might be trapped in the lower half of our body. This first sound is ah, and feel free to make the shape of the word with your mouth to help you to further release the sound out of the body. We will make this sound 2 times long and loud. So come to a comfortable position, somewhere where your belly can fully release. We'll begin with a breath. Exhale, release the air out. Through the nose, deep inhale. Through the mouth, exhale. And we'll take a deep breath to begin our ah sound. Inhale through the nose. Ah. Again, focusing on the lower half of your body. Let the sound release extra anger, frustration, and worry. Deep inhale. Ah. And slowly return to normal breathing, allowing the vibration to still circulate through your body. And begin to notice how you are feeling from releasing that controlled scream. And we will return for a next sound breathing in my next series. Feel free to do this sound as much as you need to, especially now that you know where to focus and what to focus on. Thank you for joining.